Welcome to a journey through the most picturesque cities in the United States. Prepare to be inspired by stunning cityscapes and unique architectural wonders. From the bustling streets of world-class metropolises to the serene, historic neighborhoods of the South, America is home to incredible visual diversity. We're setting the scene for a visual feast, exploring cities defined by their stunning aesthetics and inviting streetscapes. Our focus will be on the places where unique architecture perfectly blends with breathtaking natural surroundings, creating unforgettable urban landscapes. First, we travel to Charleston, South Carolina, a city steeped in history and known for its quintessential Southern charm. Walk the historic district and marvel at Rainbow Row, where pastel-colored houses line the streets, offering a vibrant, picturesque view. Charleston's streets are famed for their beauty, often shaded by live oaks draped in Spanish moss, providing a tranquil, timeless ambiance. Next, we fly across the country to the iconic hills and fog of San Francisco, California. No visit is complete without witnessing the majestic Golden Gate Bridge and soaking in the sweeping views of the bay and city skyline. Explore the famous Victorian homes, like the Painted Ladies, set against the backdrop of San Francisco's steep, rolling hills. Our third stop takes us to the architectural marvel that is Chicago, Illinois, the heart of the Midwest. Chicago is a masterclass in modern architecture, with soaring skyscrapers and innovative designs dominating the famous Loop District. Enjoy public spaces like Millennium Park and the stunning Chicago Riverwalk, providing green oases amidst the urban density. Next, we return south to Savannah, Georgia, a city famed for its history, charm, and ethereal beauty. Savannah is famous for its 22 historic squares, each surrounded by majestic live oak trees draped in Spanish moss, creating a magical canopy. The city boasts beautiful antebellum architecture and a distinctly peaceful ambiance, perfect for a slow, contemplative stroll. Our final destination is the tropical paradise of Honolulu, Hawaii, where city life meets unparalleled natural beauty. Experience the natural landmarks, including the iconic Diamond Head crater and the world-famous white sands of Waikiki Beach. Honolulu seamlessly blends towering resorts with lush, tropical landscapes, offering breathtaking views around every corner. We've traveled across America, exploring the unique beauty of these incredible cities. From Charleston's historic charm to Chicago's modern marvels, each city offers a distinctive and beautiful walking experience. It's time to lace up your shoes and explore these stunning destinations for yourself. Happy travel!